Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning.
Another flash flood warning.
Until 5:45 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the Warren area.
Another flash flood
Between
warning.
3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is
Another flash
0.5
flood
to
warning.
1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area.
Yo, we got another
Flash
flash flood
flooding
warning.
is already occurring.
Another PDS.
Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding.
Another PDS flash
Heavy
flood
rain
warning.
producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding
Another
of creeks
PDS
and
flash
streams,
flood warning,
urban
guys.
areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Water rescues have been reported and are ongoing. This
Yep.
includes in the Myrie Brook Road area towards Danbury.
Yep.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Danbury, Newtown, Bethel, New Fairfield, and Reading. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded
They
roads.
issued another PDS
Most
flash
flood
flood
deaths
warning.
occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Another PDS flash
Be
flood
aware of your
warning.
surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Stay away or be swept away.
Yo, we got another PDS
River
flash
banks
flood
and culverts can
warning.
become unstable and unsafe. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following.
We got another
counties:
flash flood
Fairfield,
warning.
Connecticut,
Fairfield, Connecticut. Yo, another flash flood warning.